Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to help you figure out how to connect with new people, maybe even make some new friends or find someone special, using Telegram, even though the old People Nearby feature is no longer available. By the end of this video, you'll know several effective ways to expand your social circle on Telegram in a safe and genuine way, whether you're looking for girls, boys, or just awesome friends. So let's jump right in. If you've used Telegram in the past, you might remember a handy little tool called People Nearby that allowed you to easily discover folks in your local area. But as of September 2024, Telegram removed this feature due to a rise in bots and spam accounts. So even if you're searching for it, you won't find it in your app anymore. And don't worry, you're definitely not the only one wondering where it went. But that doesn't mean you can't meet new people. You just need to use a few different methods, and I'll break them all down for you. First up, the username search. If you already know someone's username, like if a friend of a friend shared it or you saw it posted somewhere, you can simply use Telegram's global search feature. All you have to do is tap the search bar at the top, type in their username with the @ symbol, and if their profile isn't hidden, it'll pop up. This method is straightforward, but as you can imagine, you need some idea of who you're looking for. It's like having someone's phone number, useful if you have it, but if you're starting from scratch, you'll want to try another route. Now let's talk about mutual groups. This is probably the most effective and natural way to meet new people on Telegram today. There are thousands of public and private groups based around every interest imaginable: music, travel, movies, even local city groups. When you join a group that matches your hobbies or where you live, you'll find people who already share something in common with you, which makes starting a conversation so much easier. Just scroll through the group's member list. Sometimes people use real names or fun profile pictures, and if their settings allow it, you can message them directly. It's a good idea to start with a friendly, respectful message related to the group's topic. Think of it like chatting with someone at a party who's into the same things you are. For even broader reach, there's the invite link strategy. Telegram lets you share your own profile invite link or a group's invite link anywhere. Think of posting it on your Instagram story, Twitter bio, or wherever else your friends hang out online. This way, people you've already met on other platforms can connect with you on Telegram, and they might bring new friends along as well. It's kind of like inviting people to your housewarming party. The more you share the invite, the livelier it gets. And don't forget about stories. Telegram Stories feature now allows you to share moments, thoughts, or even an intro about yourself. If you set your story audience to everyone, anyone who's saved you as a contact can view and react to your stories. You'll even see a list of who's checked them out, which can be a subtle little hint as to who might want to strike up a chat. It's a more indirect way, but posting engaging stories can help break the ice and show your personality. Remember, while there's no longer an automatic way to find people just based on location, Telegram now encourages more meaningful connections through groups, stories, and friends of friends. A quick tip: always be respectful and cautious when messaging new people. Treat it as you would meeting someone new anywhere else. Alright, hopefully you can see that even without the People Nearby feature, there are still plenty of ways to grow your network on Telegram and maybe make some great friends along the way. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if you'd like video guides about specific groups to join, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips like this one. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.